In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity Scheduling in full, guiding you through all the key features and settings you need to know in 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refresh your skills, we'll make sure you have the knowledge to streamline your appointment scheduling effectively. To get started, head over to acuityscheduling.com. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the login button. This is your gateway to accessing the powerful scheduling tools that Acuity offers. So go ahead and click on Login, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, a simple yet essential step for accessing your account. Make sure you have your username and password handy and type them in. After logging in, one of the first settings you'll configure is your availability. Click on the availability section where you can define your working hours, making sure to block off any days when you're not available. This is crucial as it helps Acuity display only the times you're free to your clients, preventing double bookings or availability mishaps. Next up, you will create your appointment types. Navigate to the appointment types page and add the services you offer. Here, you'll want to set the duration, price, and a brief description for each service. Articulating this information clearly ensures that your clients can book the service they need with ease, avoiding any confusion about what each option entails. Once you've set up your appointment types, don't forget to share your booking link. This URL is what your clients will use to access your calendar and book appointments with you. Sharing this link prominently on your website or social media channels makes it easy for clients to engage with your services. If you choose to, you can also set up payment processing, which is an optional but valuable feature. Head over to payment settings and input your payment information, allowing you to accept payments directly through Acuity. This is especially handy for paid consultations or services as it streamlines the transaction process for both you and your clients. Managing bookings is your final step to mastering Acuity scheduling. In the Appointments tab, you can view or edit appointments as needed. This is where you'll oversee your schedule, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Additionally, Acuity can automatically send reminders or confirmations to your clients, helping to reduce no-shows and keep everyone on the same page, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Acuity scheduling to its full potential. Whether you're managing a booming business or offering a new service, Acuity's features will support your goal to offer seamless and professional service to your clients. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more tutorials.